So this is my COVID noted application. The first thing I will highlight is the user list feature, which basically shows you a list of users of this application and their infection status. The second part of my index is a location search, which allows a user to search for what location they want to look at and see what activity COVID related is going on in that given location. So let's see if I wanted to know about Philadelphia. I could search this location and see that there is a user that has a warning status in Philly and an infected status. And I could do something like Ohio City or something, and I could see there were 3 safe users, 1 warning user. For places like that are not in locations are not in this database, it just shows you that there was 0 activity going on. My application also allows for the feature to add a user. So let's do that. So we'll call this CS338 demo, and we'll say this user is maybe infected. So I'll give this a warning infection status, and I'll give it locations of Philadelphia, Drexel University, and let's say Tokyo. So this user can be added. A pop-up shows you that the user is added and then clears up all the fill-in blank. So we can see that the CS338 demo was created with a status of warning. And we can search Philadelphia. We can now see that there is a new warning count. We can search Tokyo to see that now there's another warning count. We can also search Drexel University to see that there is now a single warning count for this location. We also have the ability to remove a user. Let's remove Torn. So all we have to do is type in their user, remove, user removed, and you can see the user list at Torn is no longer existing. We can edit a user, which I'll do Jackie. So I'll select this user, edit, search for that user. This pulls up the user's current status. So let's say we actually determined that Jackie's actually infected, and we want to add Tokyo to a place that Jackie has recently been to, and we actually want to remove Philadelphia and San Francisco. So if we do that, we can click change user. The user is changed, everything is reset, and we can go back to the user list, see that Jackie's status is now changed to infected, and we look up San Francisco. You can see there's no users there. Tokyo, however, has a new infected case. And that is my COVID noted application.